Huh?
I can't make a left over there.
Oh yeah. Yeah? Ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Rip clutch. Oh, it says you shouldn't go that way anyways. Either. Ah, shit. Oh. Okay. So how did she do for her first time? She got it her first try, didn't stall. Then I started telling her to do different things to see if it would help. And I feel like I sort of made it worse, which sucks. Subdivision's like near my house. I've never been through it. Husky! So yeah, I wanted to see where it goes. Is this a dead end? Oh, no, there's a street. Right here. Okay. Oh. I mean, I'm still pretty new too. It's like I don't want to pretend like I know everything. But I know there's still a lot of stuff that I do wrong. I'm self-taught. I mean, my dad told me a few things, but I mean, most I feel like I learned by myself. It's a nice neighborhood. Police, whoop whoop. So yeah, but there were a few times where she just rode around all around the parking lot once she actually started going, which I told her that going is like the hardest part. Like from stopped going. I'm gonna get us lost. What road is this? Oh, I think I know. Yeah, I know where I am. So yeah, we made a lot of progress though, because at the end she knew what she was doing. So. But I don't know, there's for some reason my bike will randomly go into neutral. Like we'll be in first gear and it'll just go into neutral, so I don't know if it's like catching or something. Cause we'll be in neutral and then I'll go into first and then you won't hear it click or anything. So I don't know, I mean the bike's under warranty, so if it still acts weird after a while, then I have to bring it back, which I don't really want to do, but if it's doing that, brand new bike, might as well take it back. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.